Replacing food with Coca-Cola. You will be gaining weight and getting older quickly, and after a few years, if you worked for it, the results could be even worse if you went to the hospital. Stay tuned to understand the top 18 actual consequences of replacing your food with Coca-Cola, where the example and the results of that example shared in the number 1 point seems so obvious but will shake your world. Watch till the end to disclose this mystery, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more articles like this. Number 18. Caffeine, sugar, and aspartame. These products are always present in sugary soft drinks. Coca-Cola and Pepsi have been the subject of accusations by some developed countries for not using aspartame, which has caused many diseases. Children should be strictly restricted from eating products containing aspartame. Also, caffeine and sugar are highly addictive, leading to a range of diseases such as diabetes and a healthy habit of attracting caffeine to the body. Number 17. Decreased metabolism. A glass of warm water can speed up weight loss, but it can also taste bad after a workout session. Coke can be very sweet, but it greatly slows down metabolism and helps to break down hot enzymes faster. So a can of Diet Coke or a simple Coca-Cola after strenuous exercise or a busy day is not recommended at all. Number 16. Reproduction problems. Studies have shown that cans of Coke or Pepsi filled with such chemicals can lead to production problems with regular use. The dose is toxic. Thus, at least, Coca-Cola is toxic. Coca-Cola has very low toxicity, which means there is no way you will die of Coca-Cola excess. As for the long-term effects, let's go over the main ingredients. Number 15. Featured water. I actually mentioned this once in Adrian Lucas Acafe's response to "Is there a significant difference between drinking stagnant water compared to still water?" Short story. Almost identical to normal water. Number 14. Diabetes. Causes tooth decay, obesity, a host of other things. Don't drink too much and brush your teeth and you'll be fine. Number 13. Phosphoric acid. Part of the acid can accelerate tooth decay. This is especially true for any other soft drink and many fruit drinks, including orange juice. Also, do not drink too much, and you will be fine. There have also been concerns that phosphoric acid causes bone congestion. However, recent research has shown that very low bone density is caused by a Coca-Cola consumer who does not drink much milk, and that the following boy is a potential culprit. Number 12. Caffeine. Probably the most toxic ingredient in Coca-Cola. It's addictive, people can overuse it, it's really hard, and it looks like one of the reasons why Coca-Cola causes bone marrow. Then again, 7 ounces. A cup of coffee contains twice as much caffeine as 12 ounces. Coke can. ASAP Science says, after a week of replacing your recommended 8 glasses of cola instead, you could eat up to 5,432 calories. Number 11. Researchers at Yale have found that when people drink cold drinks, they also eat more calories, mostly because people don't count the calories included in their drinks. And switching to a diet will not help. ASAP Science says, tests have found that delicious flavors, whether from real or artificial sweets, increase our appetite. Many food addicts think, if I drink a meal, I'll have big fridges with my food. Number 10. Soft drinks can also wear us out. Telomeres are a protective chemical on the edges of our chromosomes that decrease over time, and it turns out that their reduction rate is precisely the same as that of a person who drinks 600 milliliters of soda a day. Number 9. Tooth decay. The high acidity and sugar content of Coca-Cola creates tooth decay and cavities. If you put in low calcium levels due to vitamin deficiencies, you can keep your teeth rotting inside and out. And it won't take long. Number 8. Anxiety. Along with lack of sleep, anxiety is a side effect of eating caffeine. Each can of Coke contains the same amount of caffeine as a cup of strong coffee. It also appears to be very addictive, so once you have decided to cut your dose, you may experience headaches, irritability, fatigue, or even depression. Number 7. Obesity. When we talk about extra weight, it's not so much what you look like but much about how you feel. Being overweight is not a problem in itself, but it does increase the stress on your immune system, and harden in your joints and bones, which are already weakened by a lack of calcium. Number 6. Skin problems. Drinking Coke daily has the same effect on your skin as smoking. Drinking soda has an inflammatory effect on the body due to high sugar levels. It damages the skin, emphasizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It speeds up the aging of the skin, making it dull and unpleasant. It also exacerbates eczema or very dry, itchy skin, and acne. Number 5. Heart and blood problems. Increased levels of bad cholesterol increase the risk of heart attack. If you only have 1 can of Coke a day, you may start to suffer from high blood pressure. And women who use these Coca-Cola funds are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Are you sure it's worth it? Number 4. The risk of cancer. We do not mean that you will get cancer if you drink Coke every day. However, due to benzene molecules in Coca-Cola and its plastic package, doctors recommend sticking to 1 can of Coke a week to reduce the risk of cancer. Number 3. Kidney failure. If you think that choosing a Coke diet is safer, then we are going to disappoint you. Zero sugar Coke probably has no sugar at all. Instead, it contains artificial sugar products that are not healthy for your kidneys, especially if you are addicted to having it every day. Number 2. Lack of vitamins. The phosphoric acid in Coke and caffeine, which can reduce digestion, begins to wash away nutrients and vitamins from your body after 60 minutes of drinking. Consider what happens every day. This is how a vitamin deficiency begins. Number 1. Die or avoid Coca-Cola. So what if you drink 2 liters of pop a day or replace a complete meal of food with Coca-Cola? Well, one woman did that for 16 straight years until she was hospitalized at the age of 31. Since she had no family history of heart problems, she suffered from arrhythmia and fainting, and tests found her deficient in potassium, as fructose and caffeine can lead to loss of potassium, urine, and diarrhea. Did this video help you? What is your opinion about the learning you had today from the video? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, keep in mind subscribing to our channel to stay tuned, with upcoming mysterious videos every week.